Hey guys, you're welcome.
Thank
Spiky.
you. Yes. How are you?
I'm okay, dear. How are you?
Good.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, no. Please don't take off your shoes. The floors are really dirty.
Sure. Okay.
Yes, I'm sure.
Alright. Wow.
So how have you guys been?
Good.
We're fine. How about you?
Please help yourself.
Yes.
Spiky. Always to the food first.
He must have been starving. Look at him.
Hey. I need some water.
I knew you wanted water.
So now that we are all here, I really have something important to tell you guys.
Okay.
We are all ears. So are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
Oh, I see. I get it. You want to give us money.
What?
Sure.
Money for what?
I have the right answer. You are planning to kiss goodbye to the world.
Come on, Frankie. Are you crazy? Do I look like I'm about to die?
It's okay. Then what?
Guys, I'm opening up a salon and I need your ideas.
Jesus.
Be serious, please. How do you expect us to know about saloons?
Okay.
Like what?
No, that's my fault. I should have told you guys earlier. But yesterday I spent the whole night drafting up my plans. I can get it and, go through it with you guys.
You know what? You guys really need to get out of this place before we embarrass ourselves. Like, serious.
Yo, you man, don't you have a home? We have saloon business to handle here.
Leave me alone, Yobo. I have no propensity for saloons. So
You know
why do you
what?
have to bug me with that?
There's a premium match on this one. We can we watch?
Well, I don't think Belle will appreciate that.
How about if we bet?
I'm in.
Cool.
Yo,
What's bugging you?
we're betting on a game. Are you in on
How
it?
much?
It's there, 2K.
Guys, there is a huge chaos in my bedroom, but I managed to find the papers. Guys, please switch off the television. You really need to help me out.
Yeah?
Guys, please.
Frank, is that your team playing?
Don't be dramatic. Belle, please move. We want to
No,
watch.
I'm not going to move. You people should be helping me. And you're
Please.
busy watching football. I'm not moving.
Okay, just 5 minutes.
Oh, no. Yobo, no. Yobo, put me down. You guys really need to help me out with my work.
Belle, please go.
This is important.
Belle, please go.
I'm not going.
What's wrong with you?
I'm not going. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You deserve it. Of course. You can't expect them to score. Manchester United is a big team.
Thank you so much for getting back to me. Yeah, I'd send the details in an email. You're ready to hear about the business plan? Yes, sir. I'm very happy and excited. Tomorrow at 9. Yes, I'll be there. Now, are you guys ready for some cream jello?
Oh, yeah!
Frankie, get my bags from the bed.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all. What did you expect?
What about our money?
Which money? So this is what it took to get your attention. Now we discuss about the salon.
I swear, this girl has just called
Ideas.
us.
I won't.